Hey guys, Nicole with Lonebird Studio, and I have some stuff to unbox today that I just got in the mail. I have some journals from the Leather Quill, which I've never purchased any from the Leather Quill Shop, so I'm really excited to see these for the first time. And I've got my Stationery Selection box unboxing. So I normally do Stationery Selection alone. I thought today I would do both of them together. So we will start with the Stationery Selection box. I hadn't looked in here, I just opened it so I wouldn't have to fiddle with it on camera. All right. Ooh, masking patches. Okay, interesting. So little stickers, like little for bullet journaling and stuff maybe? Cool. Ooh, stickers, Arctic collection. Oh, there's little like narwhal. Oh, here you can see what they are. How cute is that? Oh, I love them. We have here, weekly planner. Oh, that's cool. So you could easily put that in your journal. It must be like a paper pad. Let's check it out. Oh, it is. I don't know if you can see that. Month, and then tells you the month, or you write what month it is, and then the days of the week are there. Appointment, yet list, to-do list. That's really cool. All right. Ooh, masking tape. That looks really cool. I don't know if you can see that on there. If I can undo it here so you can see, maybe. Try and do it fast. All right, let's see if I can find, there it is. Look how pretty that is. I love it. That's really pretty. Love the color. Okay, ooh. Incense cedar. Slip on. Oh, is it a pen? Oh, that's cute. Ooh, something in a box. What's this? Clipboard of the old school. Durable metal clip with extra. Oh, clipboard. That's cute. Huh. Cute. Probably, I bet you could fit these on there maybe. The little to-dos. All right, what's in here? Ooh, I've been hoping for one of these dishes. Oh, how cute is that whale? Kata Kata and Classicy. Is it Kata Kata? Oh, how adorable. What a great box. All right, so for the January stationery box, we've got the weekly paper, Classicy weekly paper. Planner pages. The whale plate for keeping knickknacks organized on your desk. Mindwave Arctic stickers. Penco clipboard. Nostalgia masking patches for highlighting important dates in your calendar. Sierra pen. It's a pen that looks like a mechanical pencil, which is true. I thought it was a pencil. Sunny Sunday and Pierre Platts collab washi tape. And yeah, how awesome. This is great stuff. Very great box. Of course, when have I been really disappointed? Never. So excited to play with that stuff. Thank you, Mitts. Again, you guys, you should check it out. My Life Mitts. She does the Stationery Selection boxes. She has great YouTube videos, and you should check out Stationery Selection box. always great. Okay, now I'll do scissors. I just didn't want to cut anything. All right, guys. I'm super excited. Now, I ordered from the quick ship selections, which ship within 24 to 48 hours. So, it said your leather quill is made from a premium 6 to 7 ounce leather, hand dyed and finished. All steps in our process are done by hand, and our hides are even picked individually. So each leather quill can be considered one of a kind. May feel a little on the stiff side. This is due to our eco-friendly water-based dye. If you prefer them to make them more pliable, simply roll your beauty until it reaches your desired feel. Your leather quill will never feel floppy, but it will mold around your inserts in time and will soften with use. Water is not a friend. If you get water spots on your beauty, simply let it dry. Don't blot or rub. Well, okay, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. It says, thanks for your support. Hope you love them. Love, Marley Jean. All right, so let's see. And maybe I need to see here what I got so I can tell you. So this is probably the Patriot and the A6. Oh my gosh. Wow is all I can say. Wow. Oh my. Oh my. Like, I can't even show you guys how gorgeous this is. This is just... how cute is that blue band? I love that. This leather is exquisite. Like, this is probably my favorite leather I've ever gotten, I think now. Oh my. I love this. And I don't have an A6. Ooh. This is Bordeaux in the standard wide, so the Moleskine Cahier, and it has dual closures. Look at that. So it's more on the reddish side, which I'm usually not, one to do that, but this is actually a really pretty color. I would say this is my favorite for sure. But I really like this too. This feels different, more plasticky maybe than this, but it's gorgeous. I mean, that is just gorgeous. So yeah, the Leather Quill Shop. You guys will have to check them out. Everything's made by hand. This stuff is absolutely gorgeous. So happy with my purchases. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook. There's a Facebook page group where people post what they get if you want to check it out before you make the dive and see what people are loving. Yeah, so as always, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to check out more unboxing videos, journaling videos. Yeah, so have a good day, guys. Bye.